Yes, sir. Yerm, if you want to start with, if you got anything special you want to go in with the indices, well, I could let you start that off, and then I'm gonna hit it up with the sectors.
Oh damn, I have nothing with indices. I'm just waiting.
Oh, I bet. Then I'm just gonna go with this. So indices. So as far as what I'm seeing right now, that's cool. As far as what I'm seeing right now in the indices, we got ES, SP 500 futures. You know, straight green starting with the quarter, looking to go 2 up. Come down to that month, full time frame continuity, looking to go up on a month, looking to go up on a week. I'm expecting some kind of pullback. Again, we got a short week. I think we close market closed at 1 p.m. Eastern Monday, and there will be no trading on the 4th of July, of course. So it's gonna be a extremely short week. I expect nothing but chop. A lot of the institutions might be on vacation, etc. So I don't expect a lot of movement. Maybe some pullback, which I hope we get, honestly. But other than that, nothing real big. So let's go to NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, same boat. Full-time frame continuity to the upside, starting for the quarter. Go down to the month. And then to the week. So we got that 3. We went probably hoping for that 3-2 up on the week. Get out this range that we've been in. Keep heading up to the upside, right? Hopefully take out this 1676. So looking out for that. I'm gonna head over to the indices now. So we got the XLY, which is consumer discretionary. We got a outside week on the XLY. Come to the quarter. We're already 2 up on the quarter. Already most likely 2 up on a month. Looking real good over there. XLI industrials, starting from the quarter. Same boat, 2 up. Looking like we're about to hit all-time highs, taking out 107.88. That's looking real good. Come down to the month. So everybody that's new, when you coming into a new week, new month, new quarter, you want to be doing top-down analysis just to see what the macros is doing, give you a broad view of what the market is doing. This is how you prepare yourself for every new week, right? Coming in. Again, looking at this week, straight 2 up. XLI looking real strong. That was the FedEx, UPS. I got another ticker out of XLI that I'm going to go over that look great. Let's talk about tech. NASDAQ basically. 3 outside week, looking for that 3-2 up, looking to take out these highs at 177.04. Yep, that would be all-time highs. It's crazy how we were just in so-called in the bear market, but we're looking to take out all-time highs on some of these tickers, right? XLC, getting 2 up on a quarter, everything looking bullish. Month, week, daily, everything is screaming upside right now. Real estate and chop, trash, doo-doo. But it is consolidating, so there will be opportunity coming out of there soon. We got an inside quarter on that. Barely went revved on a month. In the week, outside week. So there's probably some opportunity coming out of real estate. It's not a lot of real estate stocks that I play. I probably play like Old Realty. That's about it. Materials, XLB, starting with the quarter. We got a nice hammer on the QR, which I love. X, we've been playing X a lot. There's probably a few other, I think Mac put DOW. We're going to check that out. Looking at the month now. Nice 2 up on the month. Come to the week. Nice 2 up on the week. Huh?
Got upside on crude oil. Got like a potential 6% upside over the next month on oil. 50% of the last pullback. So I'm gonna be watching crude oil. So Oxy.
Bet. Yeah, I heard it there. Oxy. I got one OU ticket I might be looking at too. I'm speaking of OU. Come down to financials. Start off the quarter once again, doing top-down analysis. Yeah, I'm gonna get to the little tickets in a minute. I just want to do this top-down analysis real quick. We got an inside Q, inside quarter. I like XLF, right? We just revved the month. And we 2 up on the week. We coming out all this chop that we've been in. So it's probably some opportunity with XLF. That mean the bank stocks, the bank sector. XLP, again, XLP got this hammer week. Probably some opportunity coming out of there. I think PG was running. KO is setting up again. Got a janky quarter for right now. This month, we're going to be opening up inside month. We have to break 75.05 to get that rev on the month. Other than that, it's going to be some opportunity coming out of XLP stocks. Look out for that. XLE, you already know we're looking at some XLE plays. XOM, Oxy. I'm gonna be looking at MRO for the next few weeks. I don't expect everything to pop off this week or next week. Some stuff might take some time, but again, starting off with this quarter, we got nice double inside quarter. We're going to be opening up triple until we break 87.74. So that's going to be real interesting. I like that. Rev on the month, 2 down, 2 up on the month, above 82.52. And then you have the week. So yeah, I'm liking the way XLE looking. And compare that to what Yerm said, crude oil. So I'm going to be looking at some long-term plays on XLE for sure. Same with healthcare. A lot of strategists looking at healthcare right now. Double inside week once again. At 135.81, we break that. We're going to be opened up as a triple inside because we close right here around 132.91. We bring that up, we break that double inside. We've been having a lot of trouble at this area. So if we're ready to break, it'd be a nice bullish to take out those highs up there. Come to the month, nice inside month, multiple actionable signals on this one. So XLV looking real primed and juiced up to get ready to go anytime now. And we go to this week, nice 3 up on the week. This is fire. I know it's going to be a lot of bread being made out of XLV. We're going to look at some XLV plays too. Let's go to XLU real quick. I don't really play much of XLU. They call XLU the old people stocks. It's opportunity there, but you got to be real patient with XLU. So we got this double inside quarter, come down to the week. Come down to the month. Got this month. We're going to be opening up inside. We in a doji, so we got a lot of range to break to the up or downside. So again, it's probably going to be some more chop in this right there. You know, chop create opportunities. Probably no time soon right now, but you do have a 2 down on a week. So you probably get that 2 down to a break. I only played two stocks out of this sector. That's NEE and Duke Energy. And PCG. PCG is cool too. Haven't played them in a while though. But starting off, I think I'm gonna start with Max watch list. I do like Max watch list. He got a few tickets that I'm gonna be watching myself. You just head to the mission ideas real quick, just to look at that. So I just want to go over that. AT&T. AT&T is in the XLC sector. Communications. I'm loving this play. I know a few people that's already in it. We're not primed on the quarter just yet. We're going to be opening up inside quarter. But if you come to this month, nice ass hammer on this month. We're looking for that rev at $16.13. Come down to the week, right? TOS lagging a little bit. What the hell's going on? I'm ask TOS. Give me 1 second, y'all.
Which one did you say what was the last one?
That was AT&T. I don't know. There we go. Be back on deck. All right. So come down to that week. Got a nice inside week. So we got the hammer on the month. Nice inside week. Y'all see that we've been struggling at $16.13. As soon as we break that, I look for a retest and break off. This should be a good play, and it's cheap. The contracts is very cheap. So get the cons real quick. I probably would have time on this one. July's, no less than July's. August look good. See 7,000 people here. Probably get some at the monies. But other than that, there's no data on these contracts. That means pullbacks won't hurt as much, and probably won't hurt at all. So this is a prime setup. I like that AT&T he got on there. He has J&J. J&J is in the XLV sector. Like I said, there's a lot of prime setups coming out of XLV. Not only that, if y'all start with the quarter, and I'm just going to clear this chart real quick just so y'all can see. This is multiple actionable signals on this play. So you have a 212 rev at 167.23. That's on a quarter. So anytime you get a big time frame reversal, you expect a big move. Sometimes because at the quarter, also you probably get a rejection, right? So you want to always have time on these plays when you're going off the higher time frames, because it might take a little longer to get through that point, which means 167.23, just to add that in there. So you come to the month, nice 3 2s. I know how I feel about 3 2s. Right next, so this is a multi-level time frame break. A lot of triggers sitting right next to each other. So we got the 3-2 at 166.27. Then we got the monthly, the quarterly trigger here, and then you come down to the week. The week is in a hammer. So this looks fire. If we could get through this 160, just looking at this play, like I said, I always look to the left, right? Always look to the left. Y'all can see that price has been held up around 167 and 165. So if this reject, I'm just going to be looking for a discount. right? So even though it's an A plus setup still need time to go. They still might, drop back, whatever have you. Just keep your eyes on it because it's gonna give you another entry at a discount to get in there. So I'm gonna be looking at J&J damn self. He got AXP, then that's American Express. The reason why I like American Express, if you haven't paid attention, Visa and MasterCard been going crazy. Nice inside quarter on AXP. I haven't played AXP in a very, very long time, but nice inside quarter. The setup is there. Then you have 2 up on the month, and then on the week, we have 2 up on the week. Breaking these areas that we probably had problems at, this could head to all-time highs in no time. So pay attention to that. DOWs out of XLB, this is what I was talking about a little bit earlier. Haven't played this stock at all. I haven't never touched this stock. So we still gonna be inside quarter, opening on Monday, Tuesday. Come to the month, nice 2-1 on the month, above $54.34. Then you come down to that week, got a nice 2 up on the week. So this got a lot of magnitude to the upside, look pretty decent. I like that play. Another one he put as a bonus that I like a lot is Cisco. Cisco been running crazy after its earnings. It went through a little bit of corrective activity and pulled back. You see this crazy 3 hammer. Love it. 3-2 at 52.56 on a quarter. I'm going to be looking at this one. It's like an A+ setup to me. 2 up on the month. If you look to the left, we had struggled at this area. If we break this area that we've been struggling at, 52.56, we could get through and fly to the upside. You come to the week, got a nice 2 up on the week. So I'm rewatching this Cisco. This one been running for a while. Ever since this earnings, it was this day right here. Then it's just been gradually going to the upside. So watch out for that. That kind of runs with AT&T, Verizon. So out of the communication sector, I do like Cisco and AT&T. Last but not least, he has GM. So GM, again, starting with the quarter. Nice hammer on the quarter there. Come to that month. We got 2 up on the month. And 2 up on the week. So time frame continuity on that one. I'm looking to the chat. Y'all could, if y'all been doing y'all homework this week, throughout this weekend, I'm going to see what plays y'all got or what y'all looking at. I see somebody got Lucid. I am going to be watching Lucid. It's not going to be on my main list, but it's definitely going to be on my, a side list. I got a bunch of side lists. Clear this real quick. So Lucid, what I like, I'm thinking about XPAT. What I like about Lucid is they got a lot of news bearing behind it. And I'm going to be keeping my eyes on this one for the long term. So we still going to be inside up on a quarter, come to that month. Got a nice month. 2 down, 2 up at $7.18. And you come to the week. Just 2 up on the week. So this got a lot of magnitude to the upside. You're probably going to have to take your time with this one. Buy some time. Probably get some shares. Because it's going to take the stairs up for sure. If if probably some news come out, it probably gap up here and there. You do have a little gap to fill. So that's pretty cool. That's gonna be on my side list. Bum ass Meta.
I'm like a Meta over 290 if we have a close. This next level gonna be 326, but if not, it's gonna be it'll be good for a pullback, but it's at a critical level. That's the month.
Yeah, so I do expect some kind of explosion coming soon because they've been consolidating for a long time. Yeah, I probably have an alert set on this one.
Yeah, it's
watch it over time.
It's at the 0.62 retracement on the monthly. So it's going to point, it could go to 0.79 or break past it. And around 326, there's like an order block right over there. So
bet. So with that being said, somebody already put, Rob already put a few that I got on my personal list. I'm gonna go through Snap, Neo. Before I get to that, right? Let me go to this market watch. For my small account people, Plug is something you want to be looking at. AT&T is something you want to be looking at. X is one that's be something you're looking at. Neo, of course. I'm gonna get to what we got here. Let me get to this. Somebody said Google, so let me go there first. I think I seen Google earlier. I don't think I really. So Google do have a hammer that's going to be open up inside, and It got a shooter for right now. So if we end up being red, it can come down a little bit. You just want to watch out for that. I'll probably keep it alert throughout the week. It's not an A+ setup to me, but I see what you see on it. I'm gonna go to Neo, go to Snap, then look at Neo. So my only problem with Snap and these, they at these areas where it rejects at. So I would have no bias on this one because they can definitely reverse back to the downside, especially if we bearish. See how we at these highs here? You just look to the left, it kind of reverses at this area. If it doesn't break to the upside, expect the reversal back down. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I ain't spent too much time on Snap to give a real analysis, but you just keep an eye on that. Just be careful with that one. We'll go to Neo, then we'll go to, I like Neo a lot. Neo is gonna be on my main list throughout the next couple weeks. Starting with the quarter, we got this Hemi on Neo at $10.51, 2 down, 2 up. It's been consolidating. Y'all see how last quarter we've been in this range. So I'm looking for explosion real soon. Come down to the month. We have a 3-2 on the month above $10.21. Then you come down to the week. We have a nice 2 up on the week. So I'm gonna be watching this one. We got to break above 1051 to really start, cooking with grease. That'd be above the POC. And then we could probably, make our way back to the top of this broad formation. So this may need some time on it. It's not going to go automatically. I already know that. If it does pull back, look for a discount. Let me check with WFC. That's the thing, guys. Like, things will trigger and pull back sometimes. Just watch it at the trigger, see if it pull back. It might, 9 times out of 10, it's going to give you a discount. Every trade that popped off last week, like Visa, MasterCard, Coinbase, they all pulled back at first, then they went rippy. So don't take your eyes off your plays. Sometimes we have the habit of taking our eyes off the plays that we're looking at just to find another setup. And then the plays that we were just looking at is ripping. Then the setup that we're looking at is playing around. So avoid this shiny object syndrome. See WFC real quick. So WFC already went 2 up on the month. We got a nice 2-1 on the QR above $43.43. Let me clear this up real quick. Yeah, nice QR rev here. 312 possibility, but then we have a 2 up already, breaking up that double inside month. So yeah, this one we keep running, especially if the banks keep going. I don't know how they're gonna perform this quarter, but the setup is definitely there. Just look for that 2 up above $43.43, $43.34, and this one is looking okay. This one's looking okay. So you see how they're already struggling at this area. Might pull back, so just look out for that. T-Mobile. T-Mobile. I haven't played T-Mobile in a long time. T-Mobile got a crazy hammer on the month, bro. That's crazy. To the week. It's gonna be looking for some continuation on this one. That's all I can see right now. I gotta do some more analysis on this one. I have nothing drawn on it. You do have a gap to fill. So I don't know your goal of this for long term or a quick, a quick bucket on this one. That's for you to determine, but the opportunity is there. It's starting to pick up. That one, him on the month look real crazy. QS is gonna be on one of my small account main watches. I like QS a lot. It's been running low key. I haven't heard a lot of people been talking about it. At least I haven't heard a lot of people talking about it recently. So on QS, right? Major alert 2-1 on a quarter at $8.32. We come down to the month. We got this. We already revved the month. So that quarter is what we're looking for at $8.32. And you come on to the week, we have a nice 2 up on the week. So I'll be watching that. I'll be watching this, coming off this major point of control range. All we have to do is break this area, and then it could probably start to fly out of there. So I'm be looking at QS. QS is a low key one. This one, like this 4-day run up right here was like over 2,000% and 1,000% for next week. So this is the type of stock that don't need a lot of movement for you to get paid, something like that. Coinbase been playing coin all week. Not surprised by this one. Been playing coin for the last month, honestly. So 3-2 on the month for coin. This one is going to stay on my radar. They just lifted, I think the SEC just lifted this sanction on coin. So I'm expecting it to go rippy real soon. The real move. Got this nice 3-1 on the quarter. Coin is something that everybody should be watching over the next few months, next few weeks. 312 on the quarter setup, happening above 74.97. Then you go to the month, you have a nice 3-2 on the month. Come to the week, just a fair 2 up on the week. Make sure your account size can handle coin. Have a lot of time on it. Coin will pop up, pull back, pop up, pull back, and take the stairs up. Just make sure that you're ready for that kind of volatility. Like, for example, we had came up, turned to a shooter. The next thing you know, we was back up. You get what I'm saying? So this is one that's a wild one. Got a nice gap to fill still. Coin gonna be on my radar for the next few weeks and going in. Crypto, for a matter of fact, oh, crypto. Let's go to MU. MU give a nice short on Friday. I might not short them coming into this week, but they might still keep going to the downside, especially if the market is weak. Got a nice 2-1 on the month. Look for that 2-1-2 to the downside. You have targets at 61.81, and you have another target at 59.60. Probably get it next week or monthly on that one, especially if we bearish. Then you have a 3-2 on the month. I will watch 61.81. This is where it could stop at and start to go back up. Just keep that in mind. That's where broad information at too. So I like that MU short. Yes, this is recorded. Oh, that's an old question. My bad. CVS, let's check it out. CVS had that nasty ass news, which dropped it. So it's still in its range, still in a bunch of conflict. Let me clear this. And if you got questions, be sure to ask questions too. So yeah, CVS is in a bunch of conflict. It's not going to rev the quarter no time soon unless some news come out. Got a 2-1 in a month, about 72.83. Going to be opening up double inside month until you break either side of the range. You got a low at 66.64. It's in a lot of mess right now. That news it messed it up a little bit. But you do have
like Apple.
Huh?
I said, no, that sound like Apple over last month's high.
Bet. So this CVS is all over the place. If you're gonna play this one, be careful. I will wait to break one of these ranges for a real breakout. But down here would just be considered an early entry before I get up there. So if you do decide to get in this one, you got to get in this one with some time on it. I can sense a breakout coming soon, a real breakout coming soon. So just keep your eyes on it. Just right now it's in conflict, so it's going to take some time to get up out of there. That's all I sense on this one. Let me check out Apple real quick. My charts is pretty much custom, but you can get if you need the numbers on your charts. I think the scripts is in the Discord. I have to just find the scripts for you. What you said about Apple, bro?
I said, yeah, I like Apple too, especially over last June's high. Got an outside 6 month, an outside year, and a 3-2 quarter.
You're just looking for a 2-up, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's an all-time high. Yeah, blue sky breakout, basically.
Yeah, I like how the 12, if you look at the 12 month, we had a down 12 month and then an engulfing 12 months. So that shows it's hella bullish.
Yeah. Let me see.
Definitely watching that, especially with the new 6 month candle forming.
NEM. Do they have good contracts? Okay, Dumont. Let me see. They decent. Just that come Monday, these might the volume might be pretty low on them, but they do have open interest. So you just gotta watch it. Let's check it out. Just gonna do some top-down analysis on this one. Yeah, no real quarter just yet. Come down to the month. A nice inside month. So yeah, this is another one that's going to need some time probably because coming up off them lows. If they come off lows, you want to give it some time. The setup is nice though. Got a 2 down, 2 up on a week. You break 43.92. That's the real breakout for some upside. Yeah, you come off this shelf right here. So this one look good. It's been consolidating in this range. They've been accumulating shares for a minute. When this is finally ready to go, it's going to bust. I just don't know exactly when. but the setup is definitely there. So again, if they could clear 42.86 in force, as you can see, it's been in this range. It's been back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I can finally get through. That could be a good play. That could be a good play.
Actually, Visa looked good too.
Yeah, Visa. I'm still messing with Visa. Hell yeah.
With that break, that was that final break over that quarter and that level we had held for a long time.
I'll check Oracle.
Quarter had a 2-up hammer.
When y'all put y'all tickets, let me know what y'all looking at for it. Probably add some substance to it so we know what y'all looking at. Because some of these could go either way. So I'm not sure. But y'all let me know what y'all see. Yeah, Visa is still on my main list. Printed last week. Printed. So we're looking for that 2-1 on a quarter for Visa. It's gonna be on my main list again. Come to this new week. Got a nice 2-1 on the quarter above 238.36.
It just started the 2 down, 2 up on the year.
For real. Let me see.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it broke. Because this right here, this wick that y'all see, that's fake. That's fake. So it actually just revved the year. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, that is, huh?
Yeah, this whole wick right here, this is fake. So it real life just revved real price action just revved the year. You come down to that week, yeah. So I'm looking to get. We got a lot of room. We got a lot of room to go on this one. I expect all-time highs in the next few weeks. See this wick right here? This is fake, y'all. And you know this wick kind of messed up the price action too. Y'all see how long this consolidated after that? It was a mother bar. That shit was nasty. Oh, y'all talking that talk now. DVN inside quarter. Oh, let's check it out. DVN is oil. Y'all know we looking at oil is setting up, like Yerm said. So we got an inside QR, which is red right now. The only thing with this month is hammered down. So everything gonna open up inside on DVN. So when that happens, it's gonna need a lot of time. The only good thing about DVN right now is that it's coming off these lows, and you do have a 2 down, 2 up above $49.10. Just another one that's going to need a lot of time on it. I can already tell before it really get going, because it's still in this accumulation phase based on what the smart money is doing with it, and they already rejected that 49.10. So yeah, see if it come back down to these levels down here, and maybe grab a light position. So this is going to need time to come out of there. It's going to need time to come out of there. Let me check ET. CCL, let me see CCL. I don't know if it's going to pull back. I can't tell. It's extremely bullish right now. I guess if Monday is bearish, a little bearish, then you might get some corrective activity. Corrective activity is definitely coming soon. I just don't know when. It can actually just keep going. There's a few times I looked at it like, damn, that shit ain't got no wick, and it kept going. It just kept going. So do got a nice 3. Honestly speaking, I would probably look at CCL myself for a short-term play to the upside to get in on that, because I don't know if it's going to stop. Everybody's traveling right now. Everybody's flying out. Cruise is popping. People outside. So that shit might just keep going up. Let me check the year real quick. Look, it's about to rev the year. It's about to rev the year. And that's not far, 2386. So it might just keep going up. Look for pullback, but it might just keep going. I wouldn't be surprised if it keep going up. ET. Yeah, I don't like ET at all. I know I don't like ET at all. I never got paid out of this one, but it's a good stock, very good stock. Shares and options.
Off my list too.
What happened?
I said I took it off my list too.
Yeah, I know people. I know people that get paid with this one. I just never captured me. But I'm gonna go through it. Let me just clear this up. Don't let my opinion take you out the trade. So you got a nice 2-1. It's in a doji. So you do have a nice 2-1 on a quarter. If you get that inside up. Oh, you got a nice setup. So it looks like it's giving a discount right now. Nice 3-1 on the month. Down to this week. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to get out of this shit. So, I mean, if you're good, you can play the range. If it could finally break 1285, as I'm seeing here, is rejected this week, rejected on this week, basically rejected for forever. You put alert on that. I'll probably take it. Alert on that. Snatch that play. Yes, he rejected it. What I'm seeing on ET, if it come back down here, that could be an opportunity to actually get in to take it back up again. At least if you take it back up at the bottom, when you get to this area again, you'll be in profit. But yeah, ET's going to explode sometime. I just don't know when. Y'all see how it's curling on this PLC. So they like to pop that out of nowhere. You could get paid out of it. Just that it never. I never catch it. Let me go to Riven. But yeah, keep your eyes on that ET. It's prompt up. It's priming. I think it's on. Hey, Yerm, you still got this on your list, bro?
Which one?
Riven. It looked fire.
Yeah, I saw. What the hell? Yeah, shit, I saw it. Yeah, it does look good, especially the month. I've been watching the whole time.
Yeah, this look right. I like the quarter.
My contract's actually executed in profit, like only 30%, but nice. So yeah, it was down 99%.
I'm gonna be personally watching most of the cards. So XPEV, I think, was getting up out of there. Neo is setting up, Riven, and then you got Lee. I like Riven a lot. It's looking like 2 up on everything right now. Oh, we got this 3 week. This last 3 weeks was nasty. I've been looking at this Friday. The outside week on outside week on outside week. It's just been expanding this range. Yeah, they got to get out of there. This looked fire. I'm set an alert on that. Probably get a month out, something like that. I'm gonna do more analysis on this when I get settled in. But yeah, I like that. Probably get a little pullback before we head back up. Be looking out for that. I like that Riven a lot. That Riven. All right, let me go to my market watch real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking at most of the same plays from last week. This is gonna be my main watch list. I'm gonna go to plug real quick. Plug gonna be on one of my throwaway plays. It looked real good coming from the quarter. Plug got a hammer on a QR, 2-2 rev above $11.78. Come down to the month. We're gonna be open up inside. So I'm looking for an inside up on the month. And if you come to the week, we have a nice 2 down, 2 up on the week. Plug is an extremely cheap stock. Y'all come to the trade over here. Y'all come down to September, it's like it's 21,000 people here on the 12.5s, right at the monies. If you look at the August, you got 5,000 people here at 12.5s. So I'm probably looking at both cons. Just hold them. Plug goes nice with EVs, usually run with EVs. Same with QS. So I think these is gonna start getting popping real soon. The setup is there. Keep your eyes on them. Set your alerts. Any play that you like, be sure to set your alerts so you don't miss it. Because y'all want to be missing out on these plays. I think I got a few more I just want to talk about. We got Visa already. We got Cisco. I'm going to go to Neo, and then I'm going to look at CAT. So, again, keeping it EVs for right now. Neo's another cheap, friendly one. I think, did we do Neo already? Yeah, we did Neo already. I'm tripping. Go to CAT real quick. So, y'all know CAT been a favorite for a long time. 2 down, 2. I'm gonna keep my eyes on CAT because I'm looking to take out these all-time highs up here. So 2 down, 2 up on the QR. CAT is setting up again for you guys. 2 up on the month, and then you have 2 up on the week. So you got to find your way up in this one. Yeah, it's got to find your way up in this one. We just revved last week, so I'm looking for that 2 up to rev the quarter. I like the way Friday ended. So yeah, look out for CAT. CAT going to keep running. If we clear the quarter in force, look for all-time highs. We got a little gap fill up here. CAT going to be on my main list. Yeah, I got Zoom too. The reason why I even mentioned Zoom, because Zoom, I don't know what's going on. They down in the dirt still, but they need a lot of time. So you got to be real patient with this one. It's going to explode someday. I just don't know when, but I see the setup. So you got a double inside quarter on Zoom. We're going to open up triple. We won't break that until $71.49. So it's a lot of consolidation going on with Zoom. So you're gonna have to be very, very patient with this one. Come to the week. Like how all these candles is just side by side, but it's flagging. It's accumulating a lot. So this is a type of stock you want to already be in it if you're patient. I don't know. Nah, they haven't been hot in a minute, but they just haven't woken up yet either. Come to the daily, got a nasty ass 2 red candles. So Zoom is a real iffy one. The setup is there for explosion at any moment. Just want to have time on the cons once again. So it's up to you. If you're patient enough, rock with these. August got the August 70s is probably something I would look at. Let me see. Yeah, it's not a lot of volume after that. I don't know why. Yeah, just Zoom is a funny one right now. Got anything you want to add, Yaron?
Oh no, I'm just scanning through mine right now.
Yeah.
Like I said, Apple, Visa, Nvidia after this pullback.
Oh, I forgot AMD. AMD is one of my main watches, y'all. High alert on AMD.
AMD, I want to see a pullback first. I just put actually right before you mentioned AMD, I was putting an alert on it at 113. Where I can see it.
Nothing special though, just a hammer week. So I watch that over the times.
Yeah.
Really special.
Yeah, below 113 is where I want to buy for calls. That'd be the perfect spot. Little pull TTO. Well, I'm predicting. But yeah, we could be at 120 in no time on AMD.
Yeah. So AMD gonna be my favorite watch. 2. Another weird ass one other than Zoom. I call it the weird ones because like ain't nobody looking at this shit like that. Chewy. Chewy's doing the same accumulation. I had it for last week. They ain't do shit. Let me see. But the quarter is set up. The quarter's got a nice hammer on the quarter. So price been accumulating to the upside. I'm gonna have a little alert on this. Might not take it serious. I don't know yet. But when I see this, when I see like weeks side by side accumulating, I know that a pop is coming real soon. Usually I get above the point of control. So I'm gonna have my eye on Chewy. I don't know if I'm gonna play it yet. But still is nasty ass consolidation. And yeah. Want to talk about gold? I see Lee put gold. You know, you're the gold master.
Oh, gold is fire.
So
gold still at the lower month, just waiting for it to come up. It just ran last month's low. So next stop is gonna be like 1935, but I just play gold like day to day. But anything over 1935 could trend.
I think that's it for me. What I'm looking at, I don't want to put too much on there. So like I says, my main is J&J, AMD, Visa. Oh, how can I forget? Oh yeah, Coin. How can I forget X? X. So you know, XLB still looking good. X been paying us. Nothing real special on X. Looking like 2 ups. The quarter is prime for 2 down, 2 up on the QR above $26.76. So X got some more room to run. It has to break the quarterly level in force to really get it for the real move, and that's what we're waiting on. So it's been paying. Nice 3-2 on the month for X. The first target will be the quarterly break for anybody that was looking to get in anytime soon. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at. I think that's my list. Probably forgot about 2, but I'm gonna put it in my channel. Let me check out Lowe's real quick. Nah, Lowe's already ran. Yeah, y'all got any questions? Any questions? In the chat, any stock you want to look at? Southwest. I mean, the airline's been going crazy. Ooh, I don't know if my Clear got brown information on it. This look interesting. They like a lagger too. They PMG the shit out this month. Oh yeah, they've been going crazy with the other airlines. They've been running. Yeah, this been running crazy. Anything with the airlines, I would probably look for pullback before getting in. That's the same with the cruise lines too, because they just been going crazy. But if you do end up taking it, look for a layup or something like that. It got room to $38.53 though, but they coming into the quarter strong. So see if we get some little wiggle room in there. Definitely, they've been on a tear already. Yeah, I think they got room to the point of control, $38.53. So Southwest look good. All the airlines just been going ridiculous. Got Delta. It's crazy. That shit is Shredder's Paradise 212 with that type of explosion.
Which one?
Delta Airlines.
Oh damn, that shit's crazy. 212 situation. That should be nice.
Yeah, I think that's it for me. That is it for me. Let me see. Make sure I ain't missing nothing. We go to Costco. The trick is to keep watching the shit that you're already watching. Yeah, that's it for me. Costco like gonna keep running.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think.
Yeah.
This shit is just everything just too up on them. So if you ain't got no more questions, I'm gonna leave y'all at that. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. I gotta go get some make some dinner. And I'll probably be on tomorrow for a short period of time. If the open is like super duper trash, I'm not staying online because the market's closed at 1 p.m. So I'm not 9 times out of 10, I might not even take a trade tomorrow.
Yeah, so in general, we're gonna be heavy on Monday already, but it's also half a short week technically because of the short Monday, so it's holiday. So Monday and a holiday, like I'm not that interested in looking at indices.
But all right, y'all take care. Last one, MRO. So I'm gonna be looking at over the next few weeks. Nice 2-1 on the week. And that's all I'm gonna say about that because XLE is gearing up. So looking at MRO. But other than that, hope y'all have a good evening. Have a happy 4th of July. I know y'all gonna be at y'all cookouts. Or if anybody that celebrate it, don't celebrate it. So if y'all got questions, y'all know where to get us at. Peace out, y'all.
Later.